Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread using precise gram measurements. Baking with a kitchen scale ensures accuracy, leading to consistently perfect results every time. We will walk through gathering your ingredients, combining them correctly, baking your loaf to golden perfection, and finally, enjoying a warm slice. This method helps you achieve that ideal texture and flavor, making your banana bread truly exceptional. First, let's prepare our dry ingredients. You will need to accurately measure 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Next, add 5 grams of baking soda, which helps your bread rise beautifully, and 2 grams of salt to enhance all the flavors. Finally, incorporate 180 grams of granulated sugar for that perfect level of sweetness. Whisk these dry components together thoroughly in a large bowl. Now for the wet ingredients. Mash about 350 grams of very ripe bananas until smooth. This provides incredible flavor and moisture. In a separate bowl, whisk together 110 grams of 2 large eggs and 113 grams of melted, unsalted butter. Pour the wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Mix gently until just combined, being careful not to overmix, which can lead to tough bread. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious banana bread. Pour the batter into a greased and floured 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 55 to 65 minutes. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out clean. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely before slicing and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.